Image to Prompt is a website that allows you to reverse engineer images so that you can have the prompt for them. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. This is 100% free. There's no login required and you can generate unlimited prompts. Okay, so as you can see here, you can upload files or just paste in an image URL. I've already uploaded an AI image of myself in a boxing gym, as you can see, and I'm actually going to leave the model on general prompt. You've also got Flux, MidJourney, and Stable Diffusion if you want to actually reverse engineer images for those particular large language models that do image generation. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click Generate Prompt. Okay, great. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. So we've got a muscular black boxer with red gloves and shorts, intense gaze, athletic physique in a gym setting, dramatic lighting, high detail, realistic rendering. Very cool. Yep, I think that was pretty much spot on. So yeah, definitely check this out if you're looking to reverse engineer any sort of images and get the prompts for them. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.